Okay, so good day, class. Our next topic would be the measures of central tendency. So in the measures of central tendency, presenting now the data of our frequency distribution in a preliminary step of summarizing now the data. So in one or more two values, we can have now the summarized presentation of important concepts of our this frequency distribution. So there are three types of measures of central tendency. We have the mean, median, and mode. And then every measures of central tendency, we have the ungroup and group data. Okay, so let's go first with the mean. So the first measures of central tendency is the mean, wherein it is the simplest and the most efficient measures of central tendency. It is being obtained by the values, by adding the values in the distribution and dividing the sum by the total number of values. And it is being represented by X bar. Okay. So the value, the variable using now the mean is the X bar. So first, I'll be discussing to you the mean using the mean for ungrouped data. Okay, so for example, we have the values of our X. Okay, so these are given values for X. Now, the formula in getting the mean for ungrouped data, so we have the mean is equal to the summation of X divided by N. Let's identify first our N. Your N is equal to the number of the values. So we have 9. So we have 9 values in our given. So that would be our N. And then the mean would now be equal to 21 plus 10 plus 36 plus 42 plus 39, 52, 30, 25, and 26 divided by 9. Okay? So, in getting now the mean for our ungrouped data, so mean would now be equal to 31.22 because it's equal to 281 divided by 9 in order for us to get now 31.22 as our mean for ungrouped data. Okay? So, i-add lang naman and then get the summation of our X divided by the number of your values. Okay, so next we have now the weighted mean. So usually when we compute grades, we are using now the weighted mean. We have now the formula. Mean is equal to the summation of W and X divided by the summation of W. Okay, so let's identify first our summation of X and W. So we have now mean is equal to the summation of WX divided by summation of W. So we will be having now 3 multiplied by 2.0 plus 3 multiplied by 3.0 plus 5 multiplied by 1.5 plus 1 multiplied by 3.0. Okay, so plus 2 multiplied by 2.5, 3 multiplied by 2.5 divided by your summation. So we have W3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that would be mean using the weighted mean. Okay, so let's have the values now. So we have 36 for our summation of W and X. We have 36.75 divided by the summation of our W, that is 17. Again, kindly check kung meron akong maling sinusulat and you can inform me. No, so the mean using now, the weighted mean using now the data would be 2.16, okay? So you have to box your final answer in order for you to have, in order for me to identify your final answer. Okay, so that is our weighted mean. Now there is also another way in getting our weighted mean. So meron pa siya. This is the other way in getting, but you can also get now your WX here, and then just get the summation. Okay, so for example, you have to get now WX. So we have to multiply 3 times 2. So we have 6.0. Another way in getting that, 9.0. We have 6.25. Another is 3.0. So we have 5.0. And then 7.5. Then get now the summation of your WX. That is equal to 36.75. Okay, so ganun siya. Then get your summation of your W, that is equal to 17, in order for you to get now the mean. Okay, so summation of your, you have the summation of WX is equal to 36.75. Okay, so this is the summation of your WX. In order for you to get na pwedeng hindi naman na ganito, just get the summation and then the summation of your summation of your W. Okay, so this is the summation of W. Sorry for that. In order for you to have now the computation of your mean. Okay, so I'll be giving you activities on the mean for ungroup and weighted mean. Then I'll be discussing next would be the mean for group data. So thank you for listening and good day.